second class.
Where's the second car?
Over there.
Is this the second car? Okay, mine, I'm so sorry. Oh my
It's
god.
really crowded.
Just made it. Oh man, I would have probably had to stay another day. My journey takes me from Ella to Hatton. This route is known to be one of the world's most scenic train rides, full of breathtaking landscapes, rolling tea plantations, dense forests, and charming villages tucked into the valley. This isn't just a train ride, it's a moving postcard of Sri Lanka's stunning beauty. The vegetables looked amazing. This is for you. Bro, those are so good.
You want chili?
Huh?
Chili.
Nah, that's cool. That's cool. I'm not chili.
Do you have same price for foreigners and not? Do you have same price for
It's a hundred for three.
I saw you sold 4.
No, 3 pieces.
100.
3 pieces.
But you sold as well like that.
Okay, no problem, sir.
No, it's okay. Brother, it's okay. Don't worry. No problem at all. Hold on 1 second.
Don't make them trick you. Why?
I'm not being tricked.
They do it with foreigners, only these guys. Another train, it's fair.
It's not really a place to be cheap. They're so kind.
Some people are so nice, but few of them not good.
It's like
Don't let them.
your guess. I already had one. I was hungry, but I showed you guys. What are these called? Vadi. Okay, this vade. These are made out of lentil or dal, as they call it here. I've had some before made with dried fish as well. They make them with dried fish. Some of them have shrimp in there, and they're deep fried. Very delicious. Anything with the dal here, you already know it's over. Just what I needed on this train ride. Guys, I just arrived to Hatton. As usual, I didn't bother booking a room, figuring I'd sort it out on arrival. What I didn't know was that I landed smack in the middle of one of the busiest holidays of the year. Every hotel in town was fully booked. But luckily, this is Sri Lanka, where there's always a tuk-tuk driver ready to save the day. We're coming here to climb the Adams Peak, which is the famous mountain here. But now I don't have a booking here. I don't know where to stay. Let's see what happens. It's a little bit busy right now because it's Sri Lankan New Year. But, you know, I'm sure it's all gonna work out. But that train ride made me hungry. So before we do anything, let's get some grub. This spot is super local. Everyone is looking. But I know I'm showing love because I love Sri Lanka, and I'm gonna make sure you guys see how beautiful this country is. What I have here today is a little chicken biryani, piece of chicken, some dal, an egg. I see some hot sauce in here.
Chicken grease.
Very nice, very spicy. You're gonna watch me eat it, right? Because you think I can't handle the spice. You see, he just brought some chicken gravy, and he told me that it's very spicy. Now they're all gonna watch me eat it. That's the katsu being cut up in the back. Made it. Left, right. Very good.
Thank you.
I didn't expect anything else. It's really good. Amazing. Have the local experience. This is just amazing. Guys, I'm just finishing up this delicious food here. I've been joined by some locals here who are having their own lunch. This was absolutely phenomenal. I'm digging in because this is probably going to be my last meal today. I had to go back to bed early today because we're getting up at like 1 a.m. climb that mountain. Happy New Year! Thank you. Which country? USA. USA. Yeah. And New York. I'm in New York. Yeah. Have a good one. Hold on. They asked me to shout them out. Sri, Rise, Villas. The food is fire. If you come to Hatton, definitely stop by here. I just already paid. It was $900 for that whole meal, 900 rupees for the whole meal. It was amazing. Thank you guys. Have a good one. Bye bye. Let me get in here. Oh, look at that. You buy fireworks for New Year's? Hello. Hello. You guys want something? That's what you want? Okay, can we get that? What do you want? She wants this. One for this. What do you want, buddy? Come. You guys are so gorgeous. Oh my God. Everyone can come. What do you want? Little one too. There you go. Everyone good? Thank you guys so much. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. We just got to the hotel, so I just want to show you guys the room. It's really nice here. This is the mountain I came to climb, Adam's Peak, or Sripada as locals call it. It is one of Sri Lanka's holiest sites and a sacred pilgrimage destination for spiritual seekers worldwide. Hey guys, what is up? It is 3 o'clock in the morning right now. I didn't get a moment of sleep. That room had crazy mosquitoes in there. We are out right now, headed to the Adam's Peak, that is. It's about a 3-hour hike. We're supposed to be up there for sunrise. It's gonna be super beautiful. There's a temple up there. It's a holy site. A lot of people from all religions go up there. The word is that when God made Adam, he put him on that mountain. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Guys, there's a lot of people coming down. Hello. Apparently they went up there at 8:30. They all went up there to pray because it's New Year's and they're all Buddhists. We're headed up to see the sunrise, but they're not staying for that. They had their prayer ceremonies up there, and now they're all coming down they all look super beat. Some of them like are passing out on the stairs and stuff. Apparently we're halfway in. It's tough. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty tough. The stairs are pretty steep. That was easily one of the most beautiful sunrises I've ever seen in my life. Got so emotional. Got these flowers right here. We're almost up at the holy site. I can barely stand on my feet. This was like 5 or 6 kilometers of just almost 90-degree incline of just stairs. Some people are carrying their kids up. You see old people, sick people, all making their way up. I'm pretty fit, I would say. And as I said, I'm just starting to decline, and I stumbled a couple times, almost fell. I'm so exhausted, but it was all well worth it. That was easily one of the most beautiful sunrises I've seen in my entire life. And while we were up there, the timing was just right. They did a prayer ceremony. It was beautiful, but I still have one hell of a descent in front of me, and I'm just trying to not fall, not crumble. Kudos to all these old people. I saw people getting carried down. Guess that's devotion. What they had up there, this is one of the most holy sites for Buddhists. There's a temple up there that has a huge footstep. I mean, the whole thing is covered in gold and gold plaques, but it's supposed to be correction. From what I see now, it's supposed to be the Buddha's foot. This man is insane. He's not playing. There's a bunch of shops all along the way, all the way to the top. And I was wondering how they carry all that stuff up there or go up to work every day. That's insane. Bro, I feel like we're all in some sort of trance. Like everyone is just trancing their way down. It feels like such a pilgrimage. You see, you got young, old, sick. We're all fighting our way down now, just the way we fought our way up. I think that's the part of it. I think that's a part of it too. There's almost a connectiveness that you feel, because we're all of our legs are shaking right now. I think that's what we're about to do. Probably gonna be super refreshing. Wait, no, I just gotta pull up my pants. Oh my. Oh. Whew. This feels so good. Oh my god, this feels so good. Oh. Just gonna stand here for a second. Oh. Oh. We're almost at the bottom. I'm gonna take a moment and show y'all. Distance. That was all stairs. All stairs. Crazy. But well worth it. Guys, here we are. Sort of freshened up. Took a shower and changed. Still no sleep. About to head to the train station right now and head to Candy back on that scenic train, but I don't even think the scenery is gonna keep me awake. If I have a seat, it's gonna be over. Falling asleep. Like literally nowhere to go. Hey, do you guys know how long it's gonna take to Candy? Do you guys know how long it's gonna take to Candy?
Normal ride is 2.5 hours.
Christ. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like and subscribe button, leave some comments below, and make sure to keep it locked for the next one. Peace.